Thai coconut red curry with prawns. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 15 minutes. Yield 3 to 4 servings. Description: Thai coconut red curry with prawns is easy, quick, and full of flavor. On your table in less than 25 minutes, dinner has never been so easy. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons Thai red curry paste, 1 can of coconut milk, can use regular or light, 1 tablespoon dried lemongrass, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoons cold water, 12 to 15 prawns, deveined, 1 to 2 cups snap peas or green beans, 1 red bell pepper, seeded and thinly sliced, 1 green bell pepper, seeded and thinly sliced, 1 to 2 tablespoons Thai fish sauce, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, 1 cup fresh basil leaves. Instructions: heat sesame oil in pan over medium heat and cook prawns for about 2 to 3 minutes. Set aside. Heat vegetable oil in a large pan or wok on medium heat. Add the red curry paste and cook for 30 seconds. Stir in coconut milk, lemongrass and brown sugar. Stir to combine. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Stir in the cornstarch mixture and continue to cook for another 2 minutes. Add the prawns, snap peas or green beans, and bell peppers. Cook uncovered for 4 to 5 minutes until prawns are cooked. Take the wok off it and add the fish sauce, lime juice and basil leaves. Let it rest for 5 minutes and serve with cooked rice.